We have here is a product to review. It's a floor mat for kitchens, bathrooms, maybe the front of the house, wherever you need to put a rubber mat and be skid proof. With the scissors, you cut off the little safety straps that they put on. So this way you can unwrap it and put it down where you want to put a mat. Now allow this to spread out and stay leveled on the floor, and it will even out. You can see the design of the unit. This is the back side and this is the front side. Let's go put this down by the barbecue where I stand this way. Let's go put this by the barbecue and show you what it looks like. Put it in the kitchen, put it on the living room floor, etc., etc. We need a mat by the dishwasher. Open up. Especially on tile floors, you're going to slide and this thing grips. You can see it doesn't slide. So we're going to put this outside. Like I said, you have to allow this to level out over time. And the smell will go away after a couple of hours of rubber. Nice and comfortable and soft. Time to take this mat, put it aside, put down my rubber mat. So this way when I come out and I'm ready to barbecue, I have something to step on and not slide around. That's beautiful. Fits just fine. This is a non-slip. It will grip. It'll hold strong. And yeah, if I take my shoes off and step on it, it's comfortable. It's not hard. It's got a good feel to it, believe it or not. All the dirt stays on the bottom and underneath. Doesn't come on top. When you get it wet, all the water run right off. So if you're looking for a mat for the kitchen, for the warehouse, for a place where a bathroom, anywhere that you need to put this in, commercial, residential, this mat may be right for you. As you can see, I'm leaning against the pole. Does a good job, and I hope this product that you're looking for may be right for you.